YouTube, birthday girl. We finna pull this Impala out. Yay. What you got? What we finna do today?
Put the Tiara on and see what else we can get out of Vaughn.
That part, you heard it. We finna pull up on my partner Vaughn star, man. Try to get some work out of his ass today. Finna get this some Tiara put in. Yeah, I mean, it's just the beginning of the day. Happy birthday to Nicole.
Thank you.
But yeah, I see what's about to go on. Get y'all some rolling footage today. Only reason I brought my car out because it's her birthday. Only reason, other than that, I'd be in the slaughter. You hear me? But yeah, YouTube, I'm just letting y'all know what's going on real quick or whatever. AC blowing good in this mofo. You hear me? Panky. New. You know what I mean? But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna water down. Is that FedEx? Dude, got another pack touching down or no?
Watch it ain't gonna be on there. I got 2 on the way. I bet you it ain't gonna be in there.
For real? Nah. Here we go, YouTube. We finna go get this Tiara grill put on. Oh, ski rig. Let's try that goddamn Impala. You sure you want to race me in the cold? Nicole will do about 19 pre-safety checks before she ran, man. Talking about you want to race with me. Let me see, can I get some good riding footage, man? Okay, Nicole. Okay, birthday girl, pop your shit. Need like a 3-lane highway, man, if I can let y'all see the whole car. Birthday girl out in the SS or no? Trying to ride, Panky, look at her. 5'2" head ass. We slide, man. Here to get this Tiara put on or whatever. YouTube, we made it to my homeboy Von Star Customs. House/shop/trap. You name it, he do it all. Tiara Tuesday, man. Getting that thing mounted up. Birthday girl, how you feeling?
Hot.
Welcome to the Tiara Club.
Officially. Out with the old.
Wait, that ain't even the last one that was
In with the new.
technically on there.
I'm gonna show you why we call it Tiara Tuesday. Everything in the driveway is Tiara. I'm lying them down. Okay, let's. Another Tiara. Tiara Tuesday, man. Make sure y'all comment, share, subscribe, like, man, money making. Let me know what y'all think. Homeboy Von car. Tiara Tuesday, man. $1,000 Smile Club. What your smile looking like on your car? You hear me? Still working, trying to get ready for this car show this weekend, man. There's gonna be a movie out here in the city, so make sure y'all come out. It's going down. Oh, man, your shoes match your car, though, man.
Ooh, is that FedEx?
Pack touchdown? I hope so, because my stuff should be in there, too.
Oh, no, that's my bad. Oh, they gave me balloons.
Well, yeah, y'all get the picture, though, YouTube. Just give me y'all a little vision what's going on, man. Next thing you know, my boy got to wire it up and mount it in now. That's how you put your Tiara on the SS Impala, man. Tiara Tuesday YouTube, you see it ain't even dark yet, man, but it's lighting up, man. $1,000 Smile Club, man. Yes, sir.
Spider on my.
Probably needs some soap and water on it.
That's a spider.
Cause it probably needs soap and water on it.
Spider?
Tiara Tuesday, man. Whole gang of Amani's and Tiaras, YouTube. Make sure y'all comment, share, subscribe, like, you know. Tiara and Amani Tuesday. Pass the word, man. Car show coming up this weekend on the 1st. Car show August 15th. Our show, Colonial Beach.
Where I'm gonna smack you.
Say again?
Where I'm gonna smack you, you gonna lose.
I'm sorry, you and Von's gonna get your ass blew out the water,
We
okay?
gonna win. Don't be hating.
Okay. But anyway, these my two victims. I'm gonna drag them down the track real quick with this old LS box, man. That Magnum definitely ain't got a chance. She LS powered, I'm still gonna give her that work with this 350 small block. You hear me? But yeah, as you can see, she finally got a Tiara on or whatever. Came out real good. Shout out to the dog Von Star, man. There you go, right there.
Yep.
That's the guy that's behind
August 15th, man. Y'all gonna see it, man. Maggie gonna beat everything, and it's on the biggest rim. It's gonna smack everything.
That shit breathes well, sir. But yeah, you too, man. Make sure y'all, like I say, comment, share, let me know what y'all think, man. We'll figure to ride out. Well, YouTube, we back on the ride, man. Doing 51. Okay. Wow, see how that car pulled right out in front of her? That's crazy.